Fort de Chartres, welcome to Rendezvous, 54th Annual Rendezvous of 53rd Annual Rendezvous of Fort de Chartres. We're excited to welcome you today, and what we're going to do, raise the American colors beginning the event. We're going to raise the colonial colors in order of their appearance. Commanders, please post your color parties. Traditionally, the day at Fort de Chartres began with the raising of the colors. Today we're holding those ceremonies honoring each of the colonial powers of France and Great Britain in order of their appearance in the region. In 1718, color party? Okay. Came French Marines and militiamen out of New Orleans. They came to protect and expand the lucrative fur trade and metals trade in this region. 3 forts were built in this area. The first 2, being wooden, quickly fell to the effects of the Mississippi's regular flooding. The third, a sturdy stone fort, served as the seat of French government in this region of what was then northern Louisiana. Over that fort flew the white banner of King Louis of France. Commander, please bring your troops to the position of attention.
Shoulder, your
Attention.
Shoulder. On.
company.
Have a good election, 500 encore.
Present. Oh!
Along with a sturdy stone fortress, the 1750s brought about the outbreak of the French and Indian War. And on October 10th, 1765, the French commander of Fort de Chartres and St. Ange surrendered command to Captain Thomas Sterling's company of 42nd Royal Highlanders. The British, preferring not to man a fort named after the brother of the King of France, the Duc de Chartres, renamed the fort Fort Cavendish, though few locals, and none of us really call it that. But over that, that fort something or other, Cavendish, that's it, flew the flag of Great Britain. 42nd Royal Highlanders, please sound off.
Company. Support.
In the 1770s, the river was considerably closer to the fort than it is now. So close that the walls were literally crumbling from the effects of erosion. The British abandoned the fort prior to the outcome of the Revolutionary War. And though they never garrisoned Chartres, George Rogers Clark and his Virginia militia finally brought the Stars and Stripes to this region in July of 1778. Great River, please sound off our first national anthem, Chester.
Company. Present. Oh! Company. Shoulder. Arm.
Color parties return to your unit. Commanders, please have your troops stand easy.
Company. Order. Arm.
Fort de Chartres
Company.
fell into
Prep.
ruins over the years. Very little was left by the turn of the 20th century. A bridge in St. Louis, along with some local home and barn foundations, bear a striking resemblance to the stone of the fort. Remaining here was only rubble and the ruins of the powder magazine. The magazine is the only original building left and remains one of the oldest structures in the state of Illinois. Thanks to the efforts of the state of Illinois, Fort de Chartres stands here to teach us all about the history of this important region in the colonization of North America. I believe the French troops have some awards to pass out.
Company. Shoulder.